We're from Pieces to Pathways, and we'll be introducing the party kit. We have 2 condoms, lube. We also have some candy and gum, just in case your jaw starts to lock up from using stimulants. We also have alcohol wipes. We have 2 straws, 2 different colors. And then lastly, we have the sterile water, just so you can clean your nose before and after using. We have literature that basically tells you aftercare for snorting. I would say first off, before you even do any of your drugs, I would get them tested or from a reliable source. I know that's really hard nowadays, but try your best. We have alcohol pads to wipe down any surfaces that you're crushing, snorting off of. We also have 2 different kinds of condoms and lube, just because people have sex on substances, so we'd rather you be safe. We've got candy as well, a lollipop and gum. We have 2 different color straws in the kits, blue and yellow. They're different in every kit. We have them 4 different colors because we don't want you sharing snorting materials. When you snort drugs, there is potential of getting little cuts in your nose, which you bleed. Sometimes you see the blood, sometimes you don't, but that is sometimes cause of Hep C, and we don't want to transmit that. So having 2 different color straws, 2 different people, you don't forget which color is yours, and it's less of a chance of getting Hep C.
Do you have any tips for aftercare?
I do. Usually your nose is pretty irritated afterwards. I would say petroleum jelly or vitamin E oil is really good. Also using the saline water is also very helpful afterwards.